Hello. Today I will be doing a review of Internet Explorer 8, and I've always been a Firefox user. I decided to try IE8. Try it for a week, see what the whole all the hype is about, and I was pleasantly surprised by the browser. I liked it a lot. Thought it was a very solid browser. Of course, you know, I'm not. This video is not to say this browser is the best. This browser is not the best. It's every user is different. There's, for example, minimalist users which let's say go to check email and check news and don't use internet as much. For those type of people, I would recommend let's say a browser like Chrome, which doesn't have a lot of features, but it's very fast and simple. But I guess if you're watching this video, you're probably not one of those type of users. So, so I would recommend either Firefox or Internet Explorer or maybe even Opera. But it's still it's all dependent on the user. So let's just open Explorer up. First, just in terms of the interface, not much change from IE7. It's simple. It's has everything that's needed to be. Nothing special. I guess if you like customizing themes, then maybe Firefox would be better. But for me, I'm not too crazy about themes. Actually, I like this theme. It's so that's one aspect. Another aspect is speed that people talk about. It's kind of hard to do a speed test here, but from what I've seen or what I've read, the speed of IE8 is at par with Firefox, and it's definitely doesn't lag behind Firefox. Maybe the new Chrome 2 might be faster than is faster actually, than both Firefox and Internet Explorer 8. But again, with Chrome you have speed, but you don't have as many features. So just some downsides. There's no spell checking, which I find there's no built-in spell checking, which I find very useful. But you can always download it from third party. There's no download management, which if you want to revive downloads, pause downloads, you can't. But and of course there's some positive features I want to show you today. One of them is accelerators, which is my favorite. So let's say go to bbc.com and let's say let's say you're just reading an article, and they're talking about the Zahedan in Iran. So you're not sure what that is. So accelerator. So you can blog, you can email, you can map with live search. So you want to see where it is on the map. So here it brings up, of course, you can also change it to Google. You can change it to whatever search engine you use. I use Live, so Zahedan. So anyways, a nice map, and you can search with live search. You can add accelerators, find more, manage. And let's say there's a phrase, it's a phrase you want to, let's say, translate. So a translator. So it's on default in Russian, or it's in Russian. So Troya Mushchin, or let's say French. So it would be Les Trois Hommes. So anyways, it's I love this accelerator feature. Another feature is the web slicing. So let's say there's a part of a website that is updated. So let's say this top story here. You add this, add to favorites bar. So here, okay, and so here you just get a snippet of it, and then you can refresh it. And when this changes, it'll change it there. you know, you can do. There's so many different things you can use web slices for, but they are very useful. Or I haven't, tell you the truth, haven't discovered the real advantage in it. But then, you can do things. But so let's go back to the home page. Let's just, I want to go over, see the features they have in private. That's coming into many browsers. They have enhanced security in private filtering, pop-up, smart screen filter. I haven't had any problems with security, to tell you the truth. Just use be smart when browsing the web, and you should be fine with any browser. Of course, and i8 has what was that? And i8 has updated its security database, so it's going to be much safer than i7. One can argue which is safer, Firefox or i8. It's difficult to say. I mean, if you have virus protection and you surf the web and you're smart when surfing them in, I think you should be fine. Yeah, that's i8. Give it a shot. It's definitely a great browser. So don't disregard it just because it's Internet Explorer. And that's it.